I didn't even feel, oh my gosh. It's a monster. All right, we're here at Eden Lakes. It's my birthday. This was the only thing I asked for, was a few hours on the lake. Last time we were here, and it was about 4 inches of ice, so it's nice. It's about 65 degrees, not super windy, so we're gonna give it a shot. All right, I'm gonna start with the Texas rig here. Ooh, got a bite. Oh, dang. I'm gonna cast right back over there. I know that was a bite. Oh my gosh. They're just nipping at it. Come on, commit. We're gonna go jig. Jiggity jig. I don't like those long antennas, so I always pull them off. There it is. We're only in about 2 foot deep of water right now. I'm not gonna go much further in. Oh, fish. Oh, dang it. That was a good one. Came off right next to the boat. Well, at least we got a bite. Ooh. I saw a splash. Ooh, another one. There's fish over here. There's fish over here. Something's nipping at me. Yes, I knew that was a fish. Not a big one, but get the skunk off the boat, baby. Maybe they're over here. Thank you. Oop, got a bite. Yeah. Ooh, it's a bigger one. Ooh, my gosh. Don't jump, don't jump. Oh my gosh, it got off. Gosh, that was a big one. It was pulling my whole kayak around. Oh, frick. I was messing with the backlash and one bass started swimming away with it. I missed a fish right about here. There's no way I'm getting it again. I had my shot and I missed it. Oh, I got it, I got it. Oh my gosh, I got it. Right when it hit that branch, reaction bite. Oh, it's a mad fish right here. It's a mad fish. Not bad. Not bad at all. Just redemption from the last catch, from the last miss. Took one of its claws off. All right, I'm switching from a jig to a Texas rig and change up the presentation a little bit. Try and catch some of the bass I missed earlier. There it is. Oop, got something. Oh my gosh. Just can't hit him today. Start with the flopper right here. Just along the grass line. Oh, got one. Hope you guys saw that. I don't know, my camera was all messed up. There we go, right in those bushes. Oh my gosh. Banking on a fish pin right under that tree right there. Oh, we got one. Oh, we got a big one. Oh boy. Oh, there goes my net. Oh, yes. Oh, I got him good. There he is. Look at that guy. 3.3. 3.3. Pretty fish, pretty day. Thank you, baby. The jig, I didn't even feel the bite. All of a sudden my rod started moving. I was freaking out trying to get it. I freaking dropped my net in the water though. Guess I gotta get a new net. Right under that tree, in that little pocket. I saw it from over there. I'm like, there's gotta be a fish in there. Something's biting me right now. This baby. It's like red and green, like bluegill color kinda. I don't have my net. Oop. Oh yeah. Oh, frick. Oh yeah. Yes. All right, here we go. Nice. Yeah. What'd you get it on? Ooh, giant snapping turtle. Look at that thing. It's so dang shallow over there. It's like a foot deep. Oh my gosh. I didn't even feel, oh my gosh. It's a monster. Holy sh**. Yeah. At least 6. Oh my gosh. Oh. Right there by that fallen down tree. Yeah, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that thing. I got one. Finally. That boy food. Monster. Yeah, zeroed out. I'm shaking. Oh. 7.5, we're calling it. 7.5 PP. Oh gosh, he's biting me. We got a picture. Oh. Look at that tank, guys. 7.5 pound beast from the depths. Oh. He is feisty too. I don't want to let it go. One more time. Look at the belly on that thing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Finally. We both got big ones. I thought it wasn't that big of a one, and then it dove right under my kayak.
I just looked back and I saw a big splash, and it was like,
Look how bent this hook is. It should be straight like this. That fish took that hook and destroyed it. My goodness. Got one. Oh geez, I'm a noob. Holy smokes, this one got hooked gnarly. Look at that. Sorry, dude. Solid 2-pounder.